cold start here. UAZ at actually 11:55. Jesus. She's a beast. Oh, yeah. Not a little bit happy because she's a little cold. 21 degrees. Yeah, that's about right. Zero Fox. Absolute fucking tank. This is a monster. I don't know it's either. Happy as a goldfish. Monster. Oh yeah. Yep. Might want to knock that off a little bit. She's happy as a goldfish, though. Hey, for zip ties and bias pliers, here, I just want to show you this. My neighbors hate me behind me, so they can go fuck off. So I just thought I'd just give them a little bit of chooch. Look at the chooch. We love the chooch. Now we gotta get some heat going on here. It's fucking cold, boys. 22 degrees. It is fucking cold. Yeah, well, you're gonna go away anyways, and you don't work anyways, and I'm freezing my ball sack off out here, and it's after midnight, so we can opa. Alright, anyways, Happy New Year, guys. Just thought I'd do this just because my neighbors can kiss my ass, and I need some heat.